Imagine a place where burgers fly out of windows. Let's build it. You get the sports car. Cool, I'll be the customer. Order ready. Awesome, thanks. Whoa, what a mess. Materials. Yeah, this will be the best drive-thru ever. Let's get building. Building something epic for Nori Nest kids today? Hit like to fuel our build. Yeah, flex those likes. Let's go. Hold still, Sam. This is for the window. Like a statue, how's this? Perfect. Now for the line. Whoa, that tickles. All done. Great teamwork. Whoa, careful. Don't snip me. Relax, I've got this. Ah, it's getting closer. Almost there. Hold steady. Whew, we made it. Add a funny burger. You got it. Whoa, it winked. Perfect. Let's eat. Ta-da! The best drive-thru ever. Wow, Alex, it's perfect. Ready for service? Yeah, I'm first in line. Welcome to the Nori Nest Drive-Thru. May I take your order? Vroom, vroom, screech. Hi, Alex. 1 burger and fries, please. You got it, Sam. Coming right back. Awesome. Broom, broom.
What looks good today? Yes! Pizza, please!
I'll take 1. $10 burger, please. That's the pizza, sir. Yes. The $10 pizza burger. Time to cook up something special. Shake, shake for the perfect flavor and flip it high like a pro. Fresh lettuce. Wow, looks great. I'm starving. Wow, that looks amazing. Order up? Yes, it looks so real. Only the best for my best customer. Thanks, Alex. Wow, thanks, Alex. Delicious. That'll be $10, please.
Where is it? Where is my wallet? It's not in my shirt, not in my shorts. Sam, you okay in there? I can't find it anywhere.
Can I pay in friendship?
One burger, please. I'm starving.
That'll be $3.
$3? But we're friends. Can't I get it for free?
Do I look like a bank to you?
Wait, I have the perfect amount. Really? Let's see it. Ta-da! 1 shiny lint-covered penny.
Wow, that's very shiny.
It's an antique. It's priceless. 1 penny for the burger? Deal. But you owe me a cookie next time. Deal! Order up. 1 pizza burger. Awesome. Thanks, Alex. So good. Brum, brum. Best pizza burger ever. Whoa, a new customer, and on a tricycle. Hi, 1 burger, please. You got it. Coming right by. Welcome. What can I get for you today? Hi, can I have a burger and fries, please? You got it. Coming right up. Welcome. What can I get for you today? Hi, can I have a burger and fries, please, Ace? Just You got it. Coming right up. Speak up, little buddy. I said I'll have a salad! What was that? A salad? Yes, a salad with extra croutons.
You got it!
I want fries! Scoop, scoop. Wow, fries, they look great. Here you go, fresh and hot. Awesome, thanks. Here are your fries. Wow, thanks, they look great. Perfect. I enjoy. Wow, Alex, these fries look awesome. Thanks, Sam. Here you go. Mmm, so crispy. If you love our drive-thru, share this video with a friend who loves burgers. I need a tow truck. Drive-thru is open. Let's go. Yeah, I'm ready to order. Welcome to Alex's drive-thru. One burger, please, with fries. Coming right up. Vroom, vroom, I'll save ya. Whoa, my tire's flat. No problem, I'll fix it. Clank, clank. All fixed. Awesome! Now for burgers. Coming right up.
It's fixed! Yes! Awesome! High five! Woohoo!
High five. Wow, Sam, that was a great drive-thru. Yeah, the sunset makes it even better. We should do this again tomorrow. Definitely. Thanks for the burgers, Alex. Whoa, look at that. It's wobbling like crazy. Our drive-thru's got the wobbles. It's perfect. It's raining! Quick, the tarp! On it! Let's go! We did it! Safe and sound! Yeah! Our drive-thru is protected! Whoa! It stopped! Look, Alex! A rainbow! Awesome! Let's get back to building! Yeah! I can't wait for my burger!
Ready? Pull! Standing strong! Yes! High five! Five! We did it!
The best drive-thru ever! Best day ever! Bye! That was so much fun! Yeah! Best drive-thru ever! Let's go again! For sure! See you next time! Bye, everyone! Bye-bye! Hey, Nori Nest kids! Want to build this with us?
Subscribe to Nori Nest Kids for more drive-thru disasters! Ding ding! You get that pew.